Want a plan that actually turns AI experiments into measurable business results? We're talking 90 days. Not a vague roadmap, but a week-by-week playbook your board will love. I'm going to walk you through days 1 to 90. You'll get exactly what to do in each window, the artifacts to produce, and the metric families to track. No fluff. If you have a project that needs real momentum, this is the sequence you run. Start small, prove impact, and then you scale. Here's how. First up, days 1 to 10, rapid assessment and goals. The objective here is simple. Agree on outcomes, shortlist use cases, and pick your top 2 or 3 bets. For deliverables, you need a 1-page outcomes document, success thresholds, and minimal risk guardrails. Also, get a focused data and systems inventory, ready for your chosen cases. Quick tip: quantify your North Star. Reduce expediting costs by 15% always beats just saying, improve the supply chain. Be specific. Now, days 11 to 30. This is the pilot build in shadow mode. The goal? Move from slides to actual systems. Stand up your core platform primitives like LLM access and vector stores. Connect your minimum viable data and run pilots in shadow mode. That means the AI proposes, but a human always approves. It's the safest way to learn. Produce a shadow mode accuracy report and a weekly leadership dashboard. Why shadow mode? Because it collects real feedback while keeping the risk incredibly low. Stay tuned, because in just a minute, I'll show you the exact observability metrics you need to include on that dashboard. Don't skip ahead. Moving on to days 31 to 60, controlled autonomy and observability. This is where you start enabling autonomous execution, but only for those low-risk steps. Keep your human in the loop for high-impact decisions. You'll need to implement logging, clear evaluation metrics, and, crucially, a rollback plan, just in case. Your deliverables are error budgets, automated monitors for accuracy, and a retraining cadence. This is also the perfect time to codify blueprints for reuse later. Quick check-in. If you're already running a pilot, what's your biggest blocker right now? Is it data, the platform, or adoption? Drop a comment below. I'll suggest the one artifact you should build next. And if you want more playbooks like this, hit subscribe. I post them every single week. Finally, days 61 to 90, scale patterns and operationalize. This is where you turn those pilots into blueprints and close any data gaps the pilot revealed. Stand up a light center of excellence to own standards. You'll also need a delivery backlog for adjacent teams. Deliverables? Think reusable templates and connector configs. By day 90, you should have measurable results in your dashboard and your very first repeatable pattern to scale. It's all about building that momentum. Let's talk metrics. You need to track 3 families from day 1. Impact, like time and revenue, quality, like accuracy, and adoption, which is usage and feedback. Track compliance events and escalation rates for quality. For adoption, look at usage by role and retraining cadence. Publish these weekly in your executive reviews. The truth is, boards want to see trend lines, not just one-off wins. Show them the direction you're heading, not just where you are. To recap, your minimum artifacts are an outcomes page, a shadow mode report, an executive dashboard, and a blueprint template. Don't leave home without them. You'll also need key roles: an AI product owner for each use case, a prompt lead, and a chapter lead in your center of excellence. Teamwork is key. Run this 90-day sequence, and you'll either show value quickly or de-risk and retire the idea. Honestly, both outcomes move your organization forward. So, your next step: spend 2 hours this week writing your outcomes page and ranking 5 to 10 use cases. Just start there. Try it, then post your top use case in the comments. I'll personally give you a 1-minute prioritization score. Let's see what you've got. Want the downloadable 90-day checklist? It's in the description. Grab it and start day 1 tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.